In the next part of the formatting lab exercise, we're going to go ahead and format some of the report items. We're going to accomplish three things here. We're going to first format the store number that it's left aligned and always has 5 digits. We're going to format the store number caption so that it's also left aligned. And we're going to center the stock number in its column. So again, we're working with our order list report. And the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to format the store number value. So I've highlighted my store number value. And now we need to go to its properties tab. And we need to identify how we want to format. So there's a few things I want to do here. I'm going to go ahead and change the text alignment property so that it's left aligned instead of right aligned. And that's because I'm treating the number more as an identifier versus a number on this report. So I want the text alignment to be left aligned. And now I have to change its formatting property. So the format right now is saying, only include the numbers that are actually part of it. But instead, I always want it to be 5 values or 5 numbers. So if the store number is number 1, I want it to say 00001. Store number is 15, I want it to be 00015. And the symbol we use to do that is the ampersand. And ampersand says to fill in with zeros any position that would otherwise be blank. So for the format here, I can just go ahead and do ampersand, 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 ampersand. Now I'm always guaranteed that it's going to be 5 numbers, and I'm guaranteed that if it's not, it'll fill left justify with zeros. The next thing I wanted to do was I wanted to change the store number caption or the column title to be left aligned now that the number is left aligned. So I click on that store number and I go down. And instead of text alignment being right, I'm going to have text alignment being left. The last thing I wanted to do was just center the stock number in its column. So I have my stock number here. Underneath it, I want this to be centered instead of being right aligned. And I just change it to be centered. So as you can see, just working with the properties, you can influence how an item appears on a report. Let's go ahead and save this report and execute our application. Let's look at the report. We can see that both the store number, column title, and the store number value are left aligned. We can see that the store number value is filled out with zeros on the left, where otherwise it would have just said 101. And we can see the stock number value has been centered. And by centering it, it's no longer crushed up against the description, so it makes the report more readable.